My biggest mistake in real estate. So in 2016, my first big listing, 6.75 in Hidden Hills, brand new construction, views, beautiful, right? Wow. And guess what? We got it in escrow really, really quickly. With who? This Turkish billionaire. He was the founder of the Craigslist of Turkey, right? Now, what I was not paying attention, because I was so laser focused on, real estate, I had only $1,000 in my bank account. I was about to go broke. My wife had just quitted her job and we found out that she's pregnant with our first kid, and I was not paying attention to the election. Guess what? I didn't know to make sure the contingency removal date in escrow gets negotiated to the day before the election results. And guess what? Against all odds, Donald Trump wins the election. The Turkish guy is worried about getting a green card and cancels the escrow. And I not just lose the escrow, I lose the listing.